BMW Motorrad and the TVS Motor Company have therefore signed a long-term cooperation agreement. This means that in future we will be able to offer vehicles in smaller capacity classes in addition to our BMW Motorrad core segments from 650 to 1600 cc. Various types of motorcycles are conceivable. They will meet the expectation of a BMW motorcycle in terms of riding fun, as well as setting a new benchmark when it comes to stability, agility, and performing figures. I regard this long-term cooperation as an important step along the road to profitable, sustainable growth. I'm glad that with the TVS Motor Company, we have found a highly expert and experienced partner. Today, we start into a new era together. This is an important day for us. The signing of the cooperation agreement with the TVS Motor Company marks a significant move in the strategic realignment of BMW Motorrad. But let me take a few steps back in order to set this information into the right context. BMW Motorrad is one of the world's leading manufacturers of motorcycles and scooters in the premium segment. BMW Motorrad stands for a strong heritage in the motorcycle business, immense innovation power, a broad range of fascinating motorcycles and scooters in the premium segment. The history of BMW Motorrad is a success story which began with the development of the first flat twin boxer motorcycles 90 years ago and has progressed through to today's state-of-the-art technological innovation. Let me give you some examples. In 1988, the company presented the world's first serial production motorcycle with the anti-lock brake system ABS. The most effective technical safety bonus to this day and by now standard on all BMW motorcycles. BMW Motorrad also introduced digital engine electronics and catalyst converters into the motorcycle industry. Other milestones of recent times are the first dynamic traction control and the first semi-active suspension in the two-wheeler business. Environmental friendliness, low fuel consumption, and lowest possible exhaust and noise emission rates are also high-ranked targets in our development department. Some facts and figures. Last year, in 2012, the BMW Group sold more than 117,000 motorcycles worldwide, marking a new sales record despite a difficult market environment. As an international company, BMW Motorrad operates a global sales network with branches in over 100 countries. The core markets are Germany, of course, US, France, Italy, and meanwhile also Brazil. The BMW Motorrad production facility, the main production facility amongst others, is located in Berlin, Germany.